students, in the previous lecture I have taught about people as resource. All of you know that there are many resources found on earth, and among all the natural resources human being utilized with the help of natural resource, human being used and gain more and more profit. That is why human being is known as one of the best resource. And some important points now I am going to describe. First, human being is known as one of the best resource. All the natural resources are utilized by human being by their ability and knowledge and gain more and more profit. That is why human being known as one of the best resource. Second, importance of education. Education play crucial and important role for everyone. With the help of education, students and any person gain more and more profit. Educated parents maximum invest money on education because they know that it will be recovered in future with higher job. Next, importance of health. All of you know that health is wealth. Without health, education is useless. If any person, any student is ill and unhealthy, he cannot do any kind of work. So, maximum educated parents invest money on education and also healthcare. Healthcare means balanced diet. Such type of diet in which protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. are found is known as balanced diet, which is very important overall for the growth of the student. And in the earlier lecture, a study about a story of Sakal. Sakal's father is Butta Chaudhary. Sakal's father earn more profit, and Sakal is also interested in education. So, with the help of education, I mean passing the matriculation education, Sakal got job in computer, and by their ability he created a new type of software which is very beneficial in agriculture. And the owner of the institution became so pleased that Sakal got as a promotion. Next, now I am going to teach a study of Bilas. Bilas is 11 years old boy. His father's name is Mahesh. His mother's name is Geeta. Sakal was only 2 years old when his father passed away. His mother sold fish. How did Bilas mother sold fish. First of all, Bilas mother went in the landlord's pond, bought fish and sold in the nearby mandi. And a day she got only 20 to 30 rupees. Sakal was the patient of, Bilas was the patient of arthritis. So it is very tough and critical situation in Bilas family. No one can help them. मीन्स बिलास की जो कहानी है उसमें बिलास 11 साल का लड़का है, उसके फादर का नाम महेश है। जब बिलास 2 वर्ष का था तभी उसके फादर की मृत्यु हो गई। घर का देखभाल करने वाला कोई नहीं था। बिलास की माँ जो लैंडलॉर्ड्स का जो पोखरा था, पॉन्ड्स, जाकर मछली खरीदती थी और नज़दीक के मंडी में वो बेचती थी और एक दिन में 20 to 30 रुपीज़ ही मिलता था। जिस समय उसकी माँ अस्वस्थ हो जाती थी उस दिन बिलास ही खुद जाता था, मंडी से मछली खरीद कर लाता था और बेचता था। इस तरह से बिलास का जो स्थिति है बहुत ही क्रिटिकल है। अब नाउ 2 stories are described, the story of Sakal and the story of Bilas. And you can see there are so many types of differences between the story of Sakal and the story of Bilas, which is described in the next lecture. Thank you.